And that's where I used to sit and lean against the wall and teach VIP Kid, and my black clothes clearly stained the wall. Hello interwebs and welcome back. I'm Shana and this is where I share my life and stories and adventures and opinions and whatever else I feel like. And this is another Japan life adventure video where I share my random Japan adventures, my life as an expat in Japan. And if you stick around till the end, I actually share where I kind of officially became homeless in Japan and an empty apartment tour. But first, we start off at my friend's house with a game of Sexy Battle Wizards. Let's go.
They act like gender, appearance, technique.
I think it's going to be the exact same as last time.
Are you going the bringing back the character? Yeah.
That's
Early the next morning.
Since I was coming home early in the morning, I figured I'd stop and have a little seat and just walk around. It's so quiet. So quiet, guys. Except for that horn that just happened. I feel like every time I come outside to talk to you guys, I'm on my way somewhere. It's windy. Anyway, today is graduation day for my kiddos, and I'm so excited for them. And I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to film or share with you, but I'll try and share some stuff. But I'm so excited. I'm glad we're actually having graduation. Not all the students are allowed to come, only the ones graduating, and only the teachers and parents, no other family members. So it'll be different, but at least we're still having it. Let's go. So one of the precautions that they're making is that everybody has to wear a mask who is attending graduation. Students, teachers, parents, everybody. So that's what we're doing. Beep, beep, beep. This is a quick reminder to let you guys know that you should hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and if you like the video at any point, go ahead and hit that like button as well. Sorry for the interruption. I'm gonna shut up now and let's get back to the video.
Come on, come on. Video, okay. Nice picture.
Oh.
Psycho.
There's ice coming down from the sky right now. So excited they're doing a 1 point lunch service of 500 yen meal. Temporarily, of course, but still awesome. It's really cute. It's 500 yen lunch? Yeah. Amazing. Alright guys, so I'm essentially moved out of my apartment, but I want to give you the grand tour of the first hotel room that I'm staying in. I got a really good deal on Hotwire, and this hotel is really expensive, but I didn't pay that much for it, so let's take a look. All of my stuff that I need to reorganize and figure out my life. Look at the nice bathroom. Yes. And definitely gonna take a bath tonight. That's happening. And look at the room. But my favorite part is this. Look, you can see down into the actual train station. How cool is that? You can see the train tracks and the trains. Fun. My alarm literally interrupted my video where I was saying, fun, I need help. My apartment is empty, aside from toilet paper, soap to wash my hands, a towel, and the yoga mat that I've been sitting on. And I'm so sad. Guys, I love this place. I genuinely love this apartment. I love the location. I love Kyoto and I love Japan, but it's so a final tour before they come for my walkthrough. Goodbye entryway. Goodbye door that used to have pictures and people's cards. Goodbye bathroom. Goodbye where my hiragana and katakana chart used to be. Goodbye pantry. And goodbye what used to be a shoe closet instead of more pantry. Goodbye kitchen. That was hard to cook in because it was so small, but it was still better than Rodeo Palace. And where I used to keep the microwave that you're supposed to put in a fridge, but it's fine. Hello, trash bag and yoga mat and other stuff that I have with me, and wallet and 1,000 yen. But goodbye. It's been real. That's where I used to have my purple tapestry for filming. And that's where I used to sit and lean against the wall and teach VIP Kid, and my black clothes clearly stained the wall. And that's where my bed was. And that's where my fridge was. And goodbye closet that's not made to put actual clothes in it. It's made to store a futon, but it did its job. And goodbye balcony with whatever kind of paint that they put here that was peeling and came into my apartment, and I can't get off the floor, but it's fine. And goodbye view of other houses and power lines and mountains, and somewhere over there Kyoto Tower, but I'm not going outside because I don't have sleepers. So I'm just gonna sit here and pout and reminisce until they show up. And yeah, that's it. Going to Yorie and Luke's tonight to stay with them. And then tomorrow starts my Okayama Rabbit Island Hiroshima adventure. So that's what we're doing, guys. If anything exciting happens between now and whenever I leave tomorrow, I'll let you know. See you later. So like I said, moving out of my apartment in Kyoto kind of started my adventure living in Japan for a while during a pandemic. Technically homeless, but it was still a lot of adventures and a lot of fun, and I'm excited to share what I did and what I got into and the amazing people that I got to spend a lot of time with. And yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for this one. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if you don't know what to comment down below, leave some house emojis. I think there are house emojis. There should be. If there are, leave that. If not, leave your favorite emoji. Not only does it help out my channel a lot, but it lets me know that you were here. It gives us a chance to chat. It lets me know at the end of the video, and of course, I just love to see your faces down there. If you want another way to help out my channel, down below there'll be links to my website, member store, and my Patreon. There's zero obligation to check any of those out, but if you want to, you can. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of you so very much. Remember to stay Genki AF, and I will see you next time. Bye! Oh, hello there. Yes, this is me casually drinking from my Genki AF merch because I don't have any bloopers to share. But if you like my cup or my shirt or some leggings or some socks, there's links in the description below. Be Genki and enjoy your coffee or tea or water or whatever else you like to drink from mugs.